Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Zipbooks. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the main areas of the app so you know where to find what you need and how each section supports your bookkeeping. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating invoices, transactions, reports, contacts, tracking, and payroll. Open your browser and go to the Zipbooks app. Sign into your account and you'll land on the dashboard. Your layout may vary slightly depending on your plan and permissions, but the primary navigation is typically on the left side. If you're new, take a second to hover over the icons to reveal labels. This makes it easier to get oriented. Head into Invoices. This is the command center for billing your customers. You can view all invoices at a glance, check which ones are drafts or sent, and spot anything overdue. Use the search and filters to find a particular client or date range. It's a good habit to keep invoice numbers consistent and add clear descriptions, as that improves client payment times and helps your reporting later. Move to Transactions. Think of this as your activity feed for money going in and out. You'll see imported bank and card activity, plus any manual entries. Categorizing consistently is key here. Accurate categories drive accurate reports. Attach receipts where relevant, and if you use bank feeds, review and confirm matches regularly so your books stay clean. Open Reports. This is where you'll measure performance and compliance. Common reports include profit and loss, balance sheet, and customer or vendor aging. Adjust date ranges, choose cash or accrual where available, and export to share with your accountant. If something looks off, it usually traces back to transaction categorization, so revisit those if needed. Go to Contacts. Here you'll manage customers and vendors, keep names, emails, and billing addresses up to date, and add any notes that help your team serve them better. Linking contacts to invoices and projects ensures you can track history quickly and avoid duplicates. Check out Tracking. Use this area to record time entries, tag work by project or task, and review totals. Accurate time tracking helps with job costing and makes invoice creation faster, especially if you bill by the hour. Establish a simple naming convention for projects and tags so reports stay tidy. Finally, open Payroll. If enabled on your plan, this is where you'll review payroll runs and related settings. Confirm user permissions before making changes, and coordinate with your accounting or HR lead to ensure tax details and schedules are correct for your region. That's it for this overview. Explore each section, keep your categories and contacts consistent, and you'll keep your books accurate and your workflow smooth.